Hey there, it's Lauralee from lauraleehatton.com, and I wanted to show you quickly how I created an online contest this afternoon and how easy it could be for you too. So the first thing that I did was I installed a new WordPress installation. I did this because the plugin that I use I already knew wouldn't work very well with, it was in conflict with another plugin on my site. So this isn't a necessary step, but if you wanted to just have a clean installation for this, you certainly could. Just go into your WordPress admin panel at, I'm at HostGator, and I just created a new install directory and picked out an admin name and went ahead and installed WordPress. I left everything really simple and added in my contest plugin and the WordPress Editorial Calendar, and kept the standard the 2013 theme that came with that just came with the installation. It was just fine for what I needed for today. And the very next thing that I did was went into the settings for my contest Blitz plugin. Now there are a couple of other tools you could use for this, and so your steps would be slightly different, but it won't be a lot different. Obviously you're going to need something that will track the contest winners, and hopefully signing up to your email newsletter list or something like that. So in the Contest Blitz plugin, I selected MailChimp from the drop-down list. There's Aweber, and then you can also put in code for another type of newsletter service if you're using that too. But I just chose MailChimp. I added in my API key. I'm going to show you that in a minute, how to get that. And then after I clicked save, it actually popped up my my list, and I chose the list that I wanted from here, and then I just saved the changes. I also added in my Twitter handle and my Facebook URL so that it's showing on the main promotion page. And yeah, so the next thing I wanted to show you was the MailChimp API. In MailChimp, you would just go into your account settings and over to extras, and then down to the API option right here, API keys. And if you don't have one already, you can just click on the, what is it? It's just something that will create a brand new one for you, and I don't even see my option here for that. Oh, you're right, create a key, and then you would just create a key and then copy that into your settings. And then after that, I needed to make a header, one for the header part of my website and one for the contest plugin. So I just went over to Canva and I grabbed a background and 2 images and then something that I could put some text on, and that's what you'll see on the contest page if you go look at that. So it was really straightforward. It didn't take much time at all. Just the background, a couple of images, and a circle with some text. And then I downloaded that and uploaded it to the header page on the site. I'll just click through and show you what that looks like. So I had grabbed the size that it was supposed to be. This one was 1600 by 230, and that's how it ends up showing up on the site for that. And then I went ahead and started asking people if they would like to contribute. I just went into Facebook and crafted a first message, and then I kind of copied and pasted it for my other friends and wrote some personal notes asking them if they would like to contribute. And as they started responding, I realized I needed a bit more organization, and that's when I actually installed the editorial calendar. And the reason I did it is because it's really easy to just add on the fly. So let's say a new person responded and said that she was willing. I would just put in her name, so her name here, and then some contents about what she was offering, and then click save. I'll just click save right now and show you what it looks like. So then I can take this post or this little this entry, and I could move it over to the date that I really wanted it to go add and post on, but it's still just sitting as a draft. And I can just click on it and edit it like I would normally edit a draft, and then properly schedule it as I should for the right date and time. But it just gives me a bit more flexibility to move things around when it's not quite final yet, if that makes any sense, instead of having to go in and manually edit each one. And that's pretty much it. So once I started collecting things, I was able to just go in and officially publish a couple of them. And so you can see one right here. And I included the third graphic that I created had no background on it. And I used that to so that people could just click on it and go right to the contest page. I've already entered my own contest, so it looks like for me, I don't actually see the promotion anymore. I just see the sharing feature, and so now, as other people are registering too, they can just copy this link and they can share it with their friends, or they can click on the Facebook share or the Twitter share type thing, and it will include their link so that they can earn extra entries into the contest. So I hope that this helps with these steps, and that the blog post helps you too in creating your own contest or giveaway. Bye for now.